In this tutorial, I will show you how to do the shattered collage. In this one, we're going to use two photos, a colored one and a black and white one. Open up Photoshop, go to Create a New Document. We're going to make a square and then you can crop it when you're done to fit the format. The square should be 12 inches by 12 inches. Make sure it says inches and not pixels. If it's pixels, it will be very small. Resolution 300, then press Create. Once you have downloaded your photos to your computer, you are going to import them. Go to File, Place Embedded, find your photo, click on your photo and press Place. You can resize the photo if you need to. Mine is a good size. It fits on the paper. If yours isn't, press and hold the Shift key as you drag this on a 45-degree angle. Now, if yours gets distorted like this, you don't need to press Shift. Mine is set up so that it stays proportionate. Double-click on it to embed it. Go over to your Layers palette. Select it, the first layer. You're going to use a shortcut to copy that. The shortcut is Command J. Now you're going to change this layer to black and white. Go up to Image, go down to Adjustments, click on black and white. Now this is the default setting. You can always play around with it and change the values if you want. So now you have two layers, black and white and color. I'm going to switch these just by clicking, dragging it, and moving it below the other one. The top layer will be my color layer. The bottom layer is the black and white layer. Now the black and white layer, I'm going to change the name to background. Click on the lettering and rename it to background. I'm going to hide the background. Oh, actually, I don't need to do that. Now, remember in the previous tutorial that I gave you, I always said go back to the background to make your selections. So I'm on my background. I'm going to use my polygonal lasso tool to make some triangles. You can make other shapes. I'm not going to make a perfect triangle. I'm going to make some jagged looking shapes. Press Command J, and that shape is now in its own layer, but it's beneath the color layer. You just need to click it and drag it above the colored layer. There's the black and white one. Press the V key on your keyboard so that you can move it off a little bit and give that shattered effect. Go back to the background, press L to get your lasso tool. And cut out your shapes. Press Command J, move that layer above the colored layer. Press V and move it off a little bit so it is a little shattered. And keep going back to your background. Press L to get the lasso tool. Make your shape, press Command J, move it above, and keep repeating this. Okay, I think I'm happy with that. I like all the black, black and white, covering up the colored eye. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know.